No trades today. Um, Nothing in my plan came into fruition, and just not what I planned for. So going into today, I had it was overlapping lower on the TPO and higher on CPR and very narrow, and then outside relationship on the cams. So they were all giving me different signals. I don't really know which one to go with. This one seemed like it was going to bounce around between these two levels. CPR made it seem like there was going to be a breakout towards the upside, and then this was just kind of, I don't know, wider and slightly lower, but not much. And even market open, it was right up until the end. It was just flirting with opening above or below value area high here, but I think it opened right where value area high was. So then I was even confused on that, because I didn't know if I should long value area high or not. But I decided to go with 3 setups here today. So one of them was CPR here, which was yesterday's close, which also had a bounce at pre-market. So I was looking to see if it could support here again so I can play longs. And then the other one was value area high low, or value area high long. So I could play a bounce off of this. But also, because it was an outside relationship on the cams here, I was thinking maybe it already rejected over here near the highs, yesterday high, during pre-market. So maybe it could go to H3 or somewhere along this line and reject. So I was thinking about shorts over here. But none of them really worked out. A huge sell-off today. What did happen was this nice little rejection. And if it rallied a little bit further to H3 or so, I would have been interested in shorts, but it didn't quite get there. So as soon as market opened here, it bounced right out of value area high and then rejected. And that was pretty much it. I was thinking about shorts, but I was thinking about it at 25, so should have gone like 4 more points, and then I could have gone shorts. But yeah, maybe I could have gotten an entry over there. I mean, kind of look like this. Maybe a little bit of a P shape. I don't know. That was a little bounce and then rejected. The first rejection was pretty significant. Rallied up and came all the way back down here. So maybe I could have gone in, but it wasn't my level, so I didn't. And then it did come to my level, my long level at the CPR, which is around 70.10, which is also yesterday's close. And it just went right straight through it, so I avoided that one, and then that was pretty much it, because I don't have any levels under that. I guess I have L3, but that wasn't part of the plan. My plan was long this, long that, or short that, so I almost went in long here at around VPOC here, yesterday's VPOC, because I saw these selling imbalances here at the lows. So selling imbalances come in, and then I see that it bounces hard. So a little bit of a sweep, selling bounces, boom, it rallies, and I really like that. And I also saw this CVD hidden divergence. So it was making lows, but this didn't make lows, it wicked. Also, there was a 1 minute delta divergence here. So I really liked that, and I was thinking about taking a long on a retest back down. So that was kind of a VPOC. I mean, obviously my plan wasn't, it had nothing to do with VPOC over here, but yeah, confirmations looked good, so I wanted to, especially when this 2 minute delta divergence formed, another set of buying imbalances came in, and then a further CVD hidden divergence, and now a big buyer comes in, so I'm even more enticed by this. Um, but I said, oh, there was also a 1 minute hammer candle here. So if we look, there's a 1 minute high volume hammer with the 2 minute delta divergence forming. I really wanted to get in here at around 7,005 with a stop under 69.99, so about 6 points of risk. I said I don't have much of a level here. It is VPOC, I guess, but that wasn't in the plan. I was like, ugh, this looks good. But then I kept going back and forth. I'm like, I can't do this because it's not in plan. But it looks so good. I would totally take it long, but it's not in the plan, so I can't take it long. And I ended up following my plan and not taking it because it wasn't at my level. No matter how good the confirmations are, if it's not at my level, then I shouldn't take it, right? So it's a good thing I didn't take it because it kept tanking. It just kept going. So after that, all my plans were exhausted. There was no reason for me to keep trading, and so I just watched it tank. Yeah, huge sell-off. Yeah, but we'll see how the day ends. I think I did good by following the plan and not taking it long over here on an unplanned level, so that's a win.